it's
Hey.
Angela
And Nels.
with Little Red River Soap. And today we are remaking one of our favorites. It's agate. Do you remember that?
I do.
I named it because it reminded me of the agates that I used to find at the Oregon coast. And
Yes, indeed.
yeah, it's got a bunch of colors in it. But
It's a beautiful soap.
it is. And the fragrance I'm using is called Snow Covered Pines, and it's so nice. It's so nice.
Oh,
But it's nice for
all of them are so
yeah.
nice.
Well, this one is great for guys or girls. I initially made it for Christmas the first time, but I sold it all year round, and people really like it. So I sold
There you
out of
go.
it twice. I never even got to use a whole bar myself. I just used a sample one because they were going like hotcakes.
And I'm sure this one will too.
Well, it's just a super soap. It's got great butters, shea butter. There's a lot of shea butter in there.
I love shea butter.
I know. But anyway, it's got a little silk in it, the tussa silk and colloidal silver, like I said. So it's just a great soap. But it might take us a little while to do this one, so let's jump on this thing and get
Absolutely.
it on.
You know, that shea butter makes your skin feel like you've just powdered up with talcum powder
Or something, yeah.
Something.
Just
you know,
makes
it
you
doesn't-
really silky. Really
It does
silky.
feel silky.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like you want to,
Get all kissy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll get on this, and we hope you hang around and watch.
Don't go anywhere. You'll
Please.
miss it for sure.
All right.
It's the tops. It's the bomb diggity, as they would say.
All right, we'll see you in a minute.
Ciao.
Bye. we will be back in just a minute and we'll show you the cutting of agate. So stay with us.
Bye.
Hi there, we're back. We're going to be cutting agate, and as you probably just saw, the colors in this are really vivid and they stayed beautiful. Can't wait to see the inside. Okay, so let's go ahead and here, move this off first. Nice and shiny. Didn't stick. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Look.
Wow. Man.
That side not so much, but look at that.
Whew.
So, oh look, here's the last little. I wanted to say, this soap smells incredibly good, and yet you might think about Christmas and trees and winter and all of that kind of thing, but this isn't a Christmas soap at all. I mean, it's called Snow-Covered Pines, which you can smell that pine, absolutely. But you can also smell other forest smells like oak moss. You can smell the snow part. I think it's an ozone, almost kind of a fragrance that you're smelling. It definitely has that snowy kind of thing. It's not overpoweringly strong. It's not weak. I mean, this is gonna stick in here. It's just such a clean, beautiful scent. Not masculine or feminine, just awesome. And it's got a bunch of really great oils in it, but probably the biggest deal about this one is the colloidal silver. This one has colloidal in it, and it is so good for killing bacteria on contact. It's been used in hospitals for probably 150 years. It's used to treat everything from wounds to burns, because colloidal kills bacteria, microbes, whatever, on contact naturally, and it leaves the good bacteria alone. So you should research this though. Have a peek, go online, read about the benefits of colloidal silver, and you'll see. But this actually has very small amounts of colorant. It looks like there's a lot more than there is, but actually, there's just not a lot. The majority of this batter, if you watch the rest of the video, was this uncolored soap, and I just kind of poured the thin streams on top and let it pour out, and it did its own thing. So anyway, this will be available probably around the 20th of October. So come and check out our Etsy page at littleredriversoap.etsy.com. Come and find us on Instagram at Little Red River Soap Co. All one word. We are also on Facebook at Little Red River Soap Company, and we are we have a little private group. I can never think of to call that a private group. It just doesn't come naturally to me. But you can join our private group called The Soapery on Facebook. You can also check us out on Twitter at Little Red River 2. That's the number 2. So thank you for watching. I hope that you'll come back and see us again very soon. Check out our other videos on YouTube. You can find us at Little Red River Soap Company on YouTube. And check out our stuff. We actually have some of the best prices with the best top shelf products available anywhere. So come check us out. We hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye.